Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair last night, doing some mixology. So I'm all out of recommendations and I've done pretty much every single blue, black, and black out there on the market from like every single brand, drugstore, and Sally's. Um, so I'm kind of running out of things to do, but this was something that I wanted to do, so it wasn't really a recommendation, and I've already talked about wanting to do this before. So I mixed Age Beautiful in the shade 1B and 3B. And this is blue black and this is the darkest blue. And they did just come out with a 4B. And I already had this like in my hair dye cabinet. So I was already planning on doing these two before they came out with that. And yeah, so if you're not familiar with Age Beautiful, they have 4 blue blacks in their line and it's amazing. It goes from 1 all the way to 4, and 1 is like the darkest level and 4 being like the lightest. So what I wanted to achieve with doing this was I wanted to stay as dark as possible with the 1, and I wanted to achieve it to be just as dark but bluer. I wanted to see if the blue would be a little bit more vibrant with the 3B, but keep it as dark as night with the 1. So that's what I wanted to do. I did this just solely for the fun of it and wanted to see what I could achieve, because it's always fun to like mix your own color and see what you can come up with. And this is one of my favorite brands, and if you aren't, like I said, if you are not familiar with them, like, this is one of my favorite brands, and anybody that asks me what my favorite brands from Sally's, I have 3, and this is one of them, and I'll tell you why I love this. Because this lasts all month long. It barely fades, and if it does fade, the blue's fading faster than the black. So it lasts all month long, and my white hairs stay completely covered until they grow in, which is what I look for in a hair color. It doesn't irritate my scalp. I mean, this one did a little bit. It itched here and there, but it was not anything super crazy where I was just like, oh, get this off my head. It makes my hair feel like so soft and smooth and amazing afterwards. And some hair colors just make your hair feel like really dry and just kind of brittle. That's not the case with this. It just makes my hair feel so good, so amazing. And I just love the color payoff. Like, that's what I look for. I look for if it covers my whites, and it has to cover like all month long, basically until my hair just grows and it needs to be covered. It can't wash off like my whites. Like, it just, the whole point of coloring my hair is to cover them up, not just to like hide them for a day and whatever. It needs to last all month long. It needs to not fade so quickly. The color needs to be nice and vibrant in the sun and like in normal lighting. And this has it all, and I love it. So let's move on to what the color looks like in my natural light window. It looks amazing in my vanity. It is so freaking dark. I was like, okay, I see. It looks so dark. I'm loving it already. I could see the blue in my kitchen, and it was giving me some really good like high hopes for what could come in the sun. Because like, okay, this, oh, look how shiny that is. It's so blue. Oh my god. Like, this is the outcome I was looking for. Like, I wanted it to be super dark and super blue, and I'm feeling like I'm seeing it. I am definitely seeing what I want. I cannot wait to see what it looks like in the sun today. Hopefully it doesn't rain when I want to go outside. It's been kind of like iffy today, but I'm thinking if there's not a cloud in the sky and the sun is out, I think it's good. But like, oh my God, do you see that blue? This is what I look for in a blue black. But I feel like that 3B definitely enhanced the blue black like a lot. I cannot wait to see what it looks like in the sun. This is just natural light from my window, and I do not have any other light on. And I am loving what it looks like in natural light. So if it's this poppin' and just normal lighting, I'm really hoping that I'm hoping it's like this blue, if I can get that to show up, in the sun. Now I can't even get this to show up. But like, yeah, it's so blue. It's so gorgeous. I think I may have found my new like color combination. I will have to try it with a 4B to see if it's, because that one's just like straight up blue. Like this is darkest blue. I think the other one is like just, it might be darker blue, but I think I need to try that and then compare the two and see which one is bluer. But like, wow. I love it. It's blue. It's amazing. It's so blue in and I did not use bleach at all. I get so many questions about why don't you just bleach your hair before doing it? And the answer to that I always say is no thank you, because I don't want to ruin my hair. This is, you can achieve this color and achieve a blue black with using just 20 volume developer. And if anybody knows anything about developer, 40 is like extreme. You want to kill your hair, use 40. You want to like semi kill your hair, use 30. But 20 is like set. You want, that's like 2 to 3 between, I want to say 2, 3, or 4 volume lifts. Like it lifts your hair like 4 volumes before it deposits the color. So it's already lifting your hair. And then 10 is just straight up like nothing. I think it just deposits the hair color. And then like 30 is like 5 or 6 levels of lift. And then 40 is like extreme. Like that's like, you're gonna kill your hair before you can save it type thing. That's if you're like going from like this color to like bleach blonde. But this is just 20 volume developer. And yes, you can achieve it on previously black faded hair. And that's what I do all the time. So if it works for me, it can work for you. Please don't go 30, 40. That will just straight up ruin your hair. And you don't want to do that. Like, I've been there. I've done that. There's no need for it. You can see the blue. Look at this. You can see the blue. You can see how dark it is and still see the blue. Like, I'm loving it. Loving it. I think I found a good mix. I am gonna do the Schwarzkopf next. I'm gonna mix the Royal Indigo and their Black Sapphire. I want to see if that enhances the blue black as well, because I love Schwarzkopf and for a drugstore. So I gotta see, since they added another blue black to their line, I gotta see if it's gonna look amazing. So yeah, anyways, if there are any other recommendations, let me know in the comments below. Like I said, I'm just kind of doing my thing now because like I ran out of recommendations, and I've done every single like blue black drugstore color, blue black Sally's color, I've kind of run out of like things. I always keep my eye out for new products, but like I don't know if there's other things out there that like are just like little baby companies that you just never hear of, or like you see it on Amazon and you're just like, I'm not 100% sure. Well, if you're not 100% sure on the color, but you still are kind of intrigued, let me know and I can order it and try it and, you know, see if it works and see if it's worth it. So yeah, just let me know. You can always hit me up on Instagram. It's Nina_Gilhousen, and I let you guys know all the updates on this hair color. So I will let you know if it shouldn't fade any faster than it normally would, because this is Age Beautiful and it takes like all month for it to like fade. The blue takes about like 3 weeks to fade, and then the rest of the color will slowly fade to just normal black by the time I need to color it. What else was I gonna say? I don't know, I had a complete brain blank. But yes, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I leave all my updates up there. If it bleeds, if it like fades really quickly, what it looks like in the sun after a couple days, what it looks like in the sun like the day of the color, and all of that. So if you want to like follow me on that, you could just do that. And it's easier to send recommendations through DM on Instagram, because you can actually show me a picture of what the hair color looks like, so I know exactly what I'm buying. But yeah, so let me know if there's anything like maybe I missed, or you just want to see like a regular black being done and not blue black. Yeah, let me know. So I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.